Dezel. Dezel. Huh? Oh, hey there, Spi-Dog. How's it going? Everything's going great. Hey, guess what? I have an idea for you. How about I teach you how to go potty? Well, sure, okay, because I actually do need to go. Hooray! I'm going to show you how to do it. Here, get down, alright? You got it, Spi-Dog. I'm going down. Yes! Let's do this. So listen up very carefully, Dezel. When Spi-Dog has to go to the bathroom badly, I don't go my own ass. So I just sit here on the potty until I'm finished. Got it? There you go. I'm all done. Alright, now it's your turn, Dezel. Let's see if you can go on the potty. Spi-Dog, I don't know what's going on here, but I think this is too small for me. This is too small for Dezel. Well, that's okay. You can go on the real potty. Just try carefully. Dezel, look out, Dezel. Ah, help me, help me, help me. I'm gonna fall. Ah, I fell. Help me, Spi-Dog. Oh, don't worry, Dezel, I'll help you. Hold on, I'll help you. Whoops. Dezel! 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 No, Dezel. What have I done? Goodbye, Dezel.